have some big news coming in right here. First images of armed IAF Rafales in Ladakh. Rafale spotted with air-to-air missiles. First glimpse of IAF Rafale with weapons. Rafales trawl Ladakh airspace armed and ready. The enemy aircraft vulnerable to IAF's armed Rafales. We're looking at first images coming to fore. Here's the Rafale. First images of the armed IAF Rafales in Ladakh. Rafale spotted with air-to-air missiles. First glimpse of this Rafale IAF with weapons. In fact, Rafales trawl Ladakh airspace armed and ready. The enemy aircraft vulnerable to IAF's armed Rafales. Here's the first image that we get of the Rafale jet, the fighter aircraft that's now amplified the strength of the Indian Air Force. The first images coming in of this armed fighter jet. We're looking at first images of armed IAF Rafale in Ladakh. The Rafales there spotted with air-to-air missiles. The first glimpse of this IAF Rafale with weapons. The Rafales now trawling Ladakh airspace armed and ready. The enemy aircraft, in fact, vulnerable to IAF's armed Rafale. This is indeed strengthening, emboldening the IAF, the Indian Air Force, with the new inclusion now, the addition of Rafale jets, the fighter jets now visible on right there in the skies of Ladakh. First images of the armed IAF Rafales in Ladakh spotted with air-to-air missiles. Let me cut across to Shivarur joining us with more details. Shivarur, you've got here the first sight. You've in fact seen the Rafales yourself, witnessed it live. Here we're seeing it right in the skies. Armed air-to-air missiles. First glimpse of the IAF. What more do we know?
Well, these are the first exclusive pictures, Nabila, that the Indian Air Force has just put out of Rafales with their onboard weaponry. Now, remember, the Rafales have been flying with their weapons for many months since they arrived last year. But I can vouch for the fact that these are the first photographs, first public photographs of the Indian Air Force's Rafale fighter jets flying with their weapons. Now, the weapons you see on the wingtips of the Rafales in these images are Mika air-to-air missiles. They have a range of about 70 to 80 kilometers. So any air threats, enemy aircraft from the Chinese side or anywhere else are all vulnerable to the Mika missile, part of the Rafale weapons package. We've spoken about it for many, many weeks and months as far as what these India-specific enhancements are. Now, the Mika missile specifically is part of the traditional weapons package of the Rafale, but very tantalizingly, it's been out of view all this while. We've never actually seen the weapons on the Indian Air Force Rafale. This is the first public set of images that the Indian Air Force has put out, flaunting these particular missiles. Very interesting that these pictures also have been put out by the Indian Air Force today. Remember that the Rafale has revived itself in the Indian media thanks to a media report in France over alleged bribery and commissions being paid. That's caused a lot of politics. So it's interesting how these pictures have come out right at that time from the Indian Air Force. But mind you, the real story here is, as far as I'm concerned, is the fact that these Rafales are carrying their weapons, and the Indian Air Force wants these images to be seen. Very interesting images.
Right. Shiv, if you can take us through exactly how does it amplify the strength of the Indian Air Force? We do know that these are the latest version of the fighter jets, the Rafale jets, which was much in controversy, and India managed to get it to amplify the strength of the Indian Air Force. But do take us through the capabilities of the Rafale.
Now, these particular missiles are called the Mika, which is actually an abbreviation for a set of French words on this particular missile. These missiles, like I said, are part of a larger weapons package wielded by the Rafales, Nabila. And these are missiles that are capable of locking onto and hitting enemy aircraft out to distances of in excess of 70 kilometers. So these are very, very capable missiles. Of course, the Rafale weapons package has even more advanced and capable weaponry, including missiles like the Meteor, which is like the BAP of the Mika. It's like the big daddy of the Mika missile that you see in these pictures for the first time. It's got other missiles like the Scalp, which is a airborne strike cruise missile as well. So in many ways, these images are a milestone as far as the Rafale saga is concerned, because this is the first time anyone in public has seen the Indian Air Force's Rafales with weapons. And as anyone will tell you, images like these never come out unless someone wants someone else to see these images. And clearly, the Indian establishment wants our adversaries to have a look at the weaponry that's on these aircraft as well. I think there's a subtle message there in what's going on.
Absolutely. Shiv, thank you very much for joining us with those details. First images put out by the Indian Air Force itself, the Rafale jet fully loaded right in the skies of Ladakh. Here's the first image on India Today.